Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Welcome to Amazon's 5 amazing quiz questions and answers for today, 17th June 2021, and chance to win rupees 15,000 pay balance. Here I am going to start Amazon quiz. So, Amazon page open now. From there to home page, from there programs and features. And in programs and features, I am trying to open Fun Zone by clicking on Fun Zone. Here Fun Zone page opened, win prizes every day, and I am placing today's quiz on the top. Here scrolling down. So here it is the quiz which we need. Quiz time now running 24 hours daily. Starts at 12 a.m. Answer and win rupees 15,000. Now I am clicking on play now button to start a quiz. FZ quiz time, daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. Chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 15,000. Now I am going to start by clicking on start button. So here the awaiting the first question came. Sundarlal Bahuguna, the man who taught India to hug trees, recently passed away. He was behind which of these? Repeating the question. Sundarlal Bahuguna, the man who taught India to hug trees, recently passed away. He was behind which of these? Here the options are Chipko movement, Narmada Bachao Andolan, Eka movement, Lok Satta movement. Which one you are guessing? So I am adding some more info about this question. Sundarlal Bahuguna was born on 9th January 1927, was an Indian environmentalist and a Chipko movement leader. The Chipko movement, also called Chipko Andolan, was a forest conservation movement in India. The Chipko movement started in the early 1970s in Uttarakhand by villagers to save trees from being cut down by forest contractors. The Hindi word Chipko means to hug or to cling to. The movement got this name since people trying to save trees started hugging and holding on to trees when lumbermen tried to fell trees. So here the answer is Chipko movement. I thought you guessed the right one. I am clicking on Chipko movement, the first option. So keep it up came now. Now moving to the second question. In March 2021, which cricketer scored the fastest 50 by a player on his ODI debut? Repeating the question. In March 2021, which cricketer scored the fastest 50 by a player on his ODI debut? Here, Liam Livingstone, Krunal Pandya, Surya Kumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan. So which one you are guessing? So I am giving some more info. Be ready. Krunal Himanshu Pandya. So you got the answer. Krunal Pandya. His full name is Krunal Himanshu Pandya. He was born on 24th March 1991. He is an Indian international cricketer who plays for Baroda in domestic cricket and Mumbai Indians in the IPL. He is an all-rounder who bats left-handed and bowls slow left arm orthodox. He made his international debut for the Indian cricket team in November 2018. In 2021, he scored the fastest half century by a cricketer on ODI debut, coming from 26 balls. Do you know he is the elder brother of fellow Indian cricketer Hardik Pandya? So you got the answer. The answer is Krunal Pandya. Second option. I am clicking on it. Krunal Pandya. So that's right. Now moving to third question. Name the 2020 film starring Tom Hanks as Commander Ernest Krause, commanding officer of the USS Keeling. Repeating the question, name the 2020 film starring Tom Hanks as Commander Ernest Krause, commanding officer of the USS Keeling. Here, the options are The Frogman, Midway, Greyhound, Down, Periscope. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some info about this question. Tom Hanks. His full name is Thomas Jeffrey Hanks. Thomas Jeffrey Hanks is an American actor and filmmaker. He is one of the most popular and recognizable film stars worldwide, and is regarded as an American cultural icon. Hanks' films have grossed more than $4.9 billion in North America and more than $9.96 billion worldwide, making him the fourth highest grossing actor in North America. And as per the question, Greyhound is a 2020 American war film directed by Aaron Scheider and starring Tom Hanks, who also wrote the screenplay for this film. The film is based on the 1955 novel The Good Shepherd by C.S. Forester, and also stars Stephen Graham, Rob Morgan, and Elizabeth Shue. So you got the answer. The answer is Greyhound. So Greyhound, the 2020 film starring Tom Hanks as Commander Ernest Krause, commanding officer of the USS Keeling. So I am clicking on third option, Greyhound. So superb, you seem to be a champion game now. Now moving to the fourth question. Known for Hodu Rock Formation and hot air balloon rides, which place in Turkey in this? So this image belongs to Turkey, and you can see the hot air balloons, and it is known for Hodu Rock Formation. Okay, I am placing the options here. The options are Cappadocia, Pamukkale, Konya, Antalya. So which one you are guessing? So I am repeating the question. Known for Hodu Rock Formation and hot air balloon rides, which place in Turkey in this? So which one you are guessing? So I am giving some more info about this question. Cappadocia is a historical region in central Anatolia, largely in the Nevşehir, Kayseri, Kırşehir, Aksaray, Malatya, Sivas, and Niğde provinces in Turkey. Due to its inland location and high altitude, Cappadocia has a markedly continental climate with hot, dry summers and cold, snowy winters. And another specialty of this area is hot air ballooning. Hot air ballooning is very popular in Cappadocia and is available in Goroim, and also trekking is enjoyed in Ihlara Valley, Monastery Valley, Urgup and Gorim. So the answer is Cappadocia. I am clicking on the first option, Cappadocia. It is known for Hodor rock formation and hot air balloon rides. So keep it up came here. Now moving to the last image and the fifth question of today's amazing Amazon quiz. So name this iconic car from Volkswagen. So those who are the fan of the cars and crazy, they easily can tell this one. And repeating the question, name this iconic car from Volkswagen. The options are Beetle, Golf, Jetta, Polo. Which one you are guessing? So I am adding some info about this question. The Volkswagen Beetle, officially the Volkswagen Type 1, informally in German it is called Der Käfer. Der Käfer, meaning beetle. In parts of the English-speaking world, it is called the bug, and known by many other nicknames in other languages, is a two-door, rear-engine economy car intended for 5 occupants that was manufactured and marketed by German automaker Volkswagen VW from 1938 until 2003. So now you got the answer. So name this iconic car from Volkswagen means that is the Beetle. So I am clicking on the first option, Beetle. So bang on came now. So today's 5 out of 5 questions right. As a appreciation, well done came. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 15,000, and you can check the winners list on 18th June 2021. Keep rocking, enhance your knowledge, enjoy the great questions every day in Amazon Fun Zone.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.